Shade's Crazy Cash!
Hey Shades, Joey Shaw here, all in on 2026.
Let's talk about ONDS. Hondas. Yeah, I mean, if you say Honda, Ondas, I don't know. But, okay. So here's what I expect for ONDS here. This would be normal and expected. Let's go back in time here and let me just show you something. So, where is it? Did I miss it? Okay. Right here, we broke out here. It didn't just go straight up. It then pulled back to that same level. So it went up, then it pulled back, and then it rallied higher. So, what does that mean? We would expect that same kind of action. We broke out and we would expect a little pullback back to around 1150 to 12. But Shades, what if it doesn't happen and I miss out? Oh, well, boo-hoo. But I'm going to wait for that level. If it doesn't come down, well, like I always say, it's almost like there's a lot of other stocks in the market. Whoa, look at that watch list. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my God. It's almost like there's more than just one stock in the market. Wow. Can't imagine being so tunnel vision and stupid at that point to just be focused on one stock when there's opportunity elsewhere. So if it doesn't come down, cool. I'll buy SoFi or one of the other Riot stock or something, APLD, if it does good on earnings. Plenty of opportunities elsewhere. But if it does come down and repeats that same pattern it did last time, where it breaks out and then it pulls back. I mean, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green days. One red day is not at the end of the world. In fact, 2 red days would not be out of the question, especially after 6 green days. So I don't know why people think things are just going to go straight up. There's going to be pullbacks. So this is what I would expect. This would be normal. This would be healthy. If it doesn't happen, watch out, because that means it's going to go higher. But at some point, we're going to get a big drop. That's what that means, kind of like this. So yeah, you don't want to be caught in that. So I would wait for the pullback, right? Because you don't want to be the sucker that bought the top and then it drops like 50%. So yeah, expect a pullback tomorrow. I would expect it tomorrow, 11:50 to 12. And then look to buy around there. And after that, it's up to you if you want to flip it or if you just want to hold it for the next move higher. Just be careful, right? Because when this thing does tank, it tanks quite a bit. So it's the kind of stock I'm not going to hold. Probably one of the few stocks I'll have a stop loss. I don't want to hold this down 55%, right? I always say if you're going to chase high, hoping it goes higher, do it where it makes sense. Number 1. Number 2, have a strategy. Number 3, probably don't go in heavy because you'll end up holding a big bag all the way down if it decides to drop again. Unless you like buying high and hoping, and then it drops 55% and that makes you happy, I guess. So that's all I got to say. That's it for the video. I just gave you the game plan. Sell target of 13 to 15.